Most people struggle with money every single month.
This problem affects millions of people in the United States.
The reason is not low income.
The real reason is poor money management.
But the solution is very simple.
That solution is called the 50-30-20 budget rule.
Today, I will explain this rule step by step.
This method is perfect for beginners.
The 50-30-20 rule divides your income into three parts. 50% is for your basic needs, 30% is for wants and lifestyle spending, 20% is for savings and investing. This rule removes confusion from budgeting. You don't need complicated spreadsheets, you only need discipline and consistency. Needs are expenses you must pay to survive. Rent or mortgage is your biggest need. Groceries are also essential. Utilities like electricity and water are needs. Transportation is another basic expense. Insurance protects you from emergencies. Needs should not exceed 50% of income. If they do, adjustments are required. You can reduce needs by changing habits. Cooking at home saves a lot of money. Transportation planning reduces expenses. Needs are about survival, not luxury. Wants are things you enjoy but don't need. Eating out is a want. Online shopping is also a want. Subscriptions fall under wants. Entertainment belongs in this category. Overspending on wants destroys savings. Controlling wants requires discipline. Small limits create big results. Savings is the most important category. Emergency funds reduce stress. Savings bring peace of mind. Investing grows money over time. Debt payments also count as savings. Small amounts matter. Consistency is more important than speed. Let's look at a simple monthly example. Imagine earning $3,000 per month. $1,500 goes to needs. $900 goes to wants. $600 goes to savings. This system keeps everything balanced. Ignoring savings is the biggest mistake. Emotional spending breaks budgets. Honesty makes budgeting work. Anyone can follow this rule. You don't need to be rich. You only need a simple system. Subscribe to Money Nestify for more money tips.